What's new at PRC? Empower version 112 updates. Exciting new features to talk about. List-o-matic. Reset a button to factory defaults. Opt out or change the order of the scanning message window and menu button. Up first, List-o-matic. This is a versatile button action that can be used to create buttons that count to 10, roll dice, play bingo, tell jokes, and much more. Record a series of words or phrases to select in order or at random. Here's a twister game I made.
Left hand blue, right hand green.
Check out our List-o-matic tutorial video on our Empower playlist to learn how to program your button actions. Reset a button to factory defaults. Accidentally delete a core word button? Lose your button links? Reset your button to factory defaults and get your links back. You'll see here that my apple icon is gone. It's accidentally been deleted, so in my sequenced vocabulary, I now can't go to another page. If I select the drink icon, you can see that I can go to another page. I need to bring that button back with all of its links. I go to Menu, Editor, Edit, select the button that I need to bring back. You'll see I don't have anything in that labeled there. I can go to Settings, Reset Button, and I get a warning about factory defaults. I select OK, and my Apple button is back. Now I save it, and my original core button is back, so when I select the Apple, I can link to my other pages. Let's see how to opt out or change the order of the scanning message window and the menu button in our vocabulary. You can see I have a custom scan block set here in my vocabulary. It scans the message bar, the menu button, and then in my vocabulary. But maybe I don't want the menu button to be scanned. Maybe my communicator keeps getting into the menu button by mistake and then getting into the toolbox. So I can go in and tell my scan pattern not to scan the menu button. Select Menu, Editor, Set Scan Blocks, and look for the tab that says Scan Order. Now I can uncheck Menu or Message window. I'm going to uncheck Menu and select Finished. Now when I save this, the menu will not be scanned in my scan pattern. Let's watch and see what happens. There's the message window. The menu button was skipped right over and I went right through to my vocabulary. Those are the new features you'll find in the version 1.12 Empower Update. List-o-matic, reset a button to factory defaults, and opt out or change the order of the scanning message window and the menu button. And that's what's new with PRC. For more information on our products and services, please visit our website at www.printrom.com.